Good day, everybody. It's Jerry from BackCountry Wrenching. Welcome to today's video. And I know today's video may not be very exciting to a lot of viewers, but it's something that I need to do. And those who have been in a similar situation can post in the comments below what they used to utilize storage for overland camping in their Jeeps or whatever vehicle they got. So a little while ago, you guys remember, I went to Princess Auto and picked up these ammo cases that I'm gonna use for storage in my Jeep. I already got 2 containers in there right now, but I'm not happy with them, so we're gonna change it up. I have not been able to head out camping. It's nice out today, which was the day I was supposed to head out, but tomorrow is supposed to get like 75 mils of rain. So these are the containers I picked up, and this is what I'm currently storing all my stuff in, and I need to change that because a lot of stuff in these bins I haven't used in years, and if I haven't used them, I might as well take them out because they're just taking up space. So these are the Magnum 4-pack plastic ammo boxes, Princess Auto. So you open it up, and then there's another one inside this one I'm going to utilize for some storage. There's the 4 containers. Let's get this first one out and have a look. So this is the goodie one. It's got my stove, lighters, towels, etc. So pretty much everything in this bin will go. So it actually worked out good. Everything that was in there went inside here. The only thing I didn't take in is this pot because I've never used it. And then I found these dirty dishcloths that I don't know how long they've been in there. It's pretty gross, but I'll take them in and wash them. It looks like I got more freeze-dried food packed than I originally thought. I could probably survive off that for a couple days. It looks like I got a ton of fire starters I even forgot about. I was actually looking for this one for a long time. Stormproof matches, more styles of matches. This is great for a stove. Collapsible bag, folding bucket they call it. Thing is money. I got these mosquito coils, and I don't know, I've never had any luck with them. They've probably been floating in my camping gear for like the last 5 years or so. So the hammock and cookware goes in one container. So I got those containers I'll use for storage in the garage. I'm not sure about those ones, but everything fits in. And the door closes. So now I went back to Princess Auto because I wanted another ammo crate. They sold like a few types. That tan colored one on the bottom was just the 50 caliber ammo crate. The green ones were the set of 4, and this one here I picked up from Princess Auto because I wanted to get another ammo one, but they didn't have one. I picked up this one, and I think this one's going to be good for the water. And then I had this Tupperware. I don't think it's a brand name. It's Tupperware, is it? No, Sterlite. And I had this from before. I think I'm going to put my air up tool in there. I got to organize this to make it a little bit easier. Let me just open up the back of the Jeep here, because I just got my air up tool up top here, and it's just kind of messy, and I need to correct that. So everything plus a few extra items fit in here, make it a little bit more organized. I put some things on the top shelf. Gonna put the water in that special container. So I know a lot of people sleep in the back of their Jeep. I just want to see, probably close to 5 feet. Right to the back. Yeah, about 5 feet. I guess you could make that work. Be tight. This container is actually really cheap, and it'll hold all my bottled water perfectly, where before I just had the case sitting in the back and I just grabbed water from it and put stuff on top of it. It just get crushed. So this is a lot better. That worked out awesome for the water. Let's see about those ammo crates in here. See if I can get them to fit. Got some moisture in there. It's looking pretty organized now. Labeling everything. Gonna keep the Coleman lantern up top with an elastic strap to prevent it from falling over. I do have one tote, but when I pack, it'll just go inside here. This is how I'm gonna go. Got an air compressor, I'll keep there. My Coleman lantern right there. Dried food and coffee. Chainsaw will fit across the top. Air up tools in this bin here. Easy access. Water, which will stay at the bottom. Camp dishes. Shower, pot, tub. And then tools. Toilet thing and the grill, and also the bare electric fence. Now I'm organized, ready to head out again. And those 50 caliber ammo crates make it really easy to unpack and pack. Nice and compact, they're stackable. Picked them up at Princess Auto. If you can, get the kit that has the 4 inside. Actually comes in handy. Otherwise, that bottom one I think was $24.99. I think these ones were around $50. I'm not sure if that was sale price, regular price, or inflation. Nobody knows anymore. Prices change all the time. But I think that's going to work out great. Alright, so that's pretty much what I figure out what I'm going to use for storage for my JK. Probably gonna, obviously has to transfer over to my TJ as well. I haven't fitted up inside there, so that's all gonna work. But I want to know in the comments below what you guys use for storage, because I want to hear different ideas, and that way if people come to this video and they read the comments, they can get some ideas. You know, this is what I did, and they're gonna read the comments and see this is what you did, because everybody has their own vision. And everybody's going to do things a little bit different from the next person. But that being said, I think it's motherfucking beer time. I got some Big Rock Brewery, which is a local Calgary beer. And this is Rhinestone Cowboy, which I think is pretty fitting because right now at the time of filming, it is the Calgary Stampede. So we're going to crack open this beer. Cheers, everybody. Motherfucking beer time. It's been warm. The rainy weather has stopped, so I'm probably pretty sure in a few weeks, the fire bans are going to come on, which is going to totally change things around for camping, because everything I pretty much have for camping, all my stoves are wood. So anyways, motherfucking beer time. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This TJ is almost finished, so this is just kind of a video taking a break from it. And as soon as I get the TJ finished, JK's coming in to get the rear suspension in, because I got a trip in a couple months, month and a half, and I need to get the JK suspension fixed so the rear end doesn't keep bottoming out. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot for watching.